Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today, the stock I would like to talk about is Sorrento Therapeutics. The ticker symbol is SRNE. If you enjoy the content of the video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like some free stock from Webull, please use the link below. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. So today, the stock I would like to talk about is Sorrento Therapeutics, and I think this is very exciting stock. There's very much potential for this stock. There is a couple of rumors that I'm going to tell you about after we take a look at the company and see what products they have and what they do. So first off, the company is a clinical stage antibody-centric biopharmaceutical company developing new treatments for COVID-19, cancer, and pain. And so down here you can see a lot of the different products they do produce. Today the stock is up almost 17%, and here we can see a longer term chart. Back in April they started talking about the COVID testing that they were going to be producing, and in June I actually bought the stock for $5, and then it went up to $20, and I sold right around $18. Since then I have not bought back into the stock until today. I recently bought back into the stock based on a rumor. There's an analyst saying that the stock had hit $30, which would be 3 times value from where the current value of the stock is at like $9.50 as I am recording. So what's behind the optimistic outlook? Sorrento has a stake in 2 cell-based immunotherapy companies that could drive value into Sorrento shares over the coming months. And so they also produce their own products, and then they also have a stake in 2 other immunotherapy companies as well. One of them is Celerity, a clinical stage cell therapeutics company founded on cellular medicines for cancer, infectious disease, and degenerative diseases. Celerity is expected to go public later this year via a SPAC merger with GX Acquisition Group. The merged company's equity value following the transaction closure will land at roughly $1.7 billion. The second company is NantKwest, which recently signed a deal to merge with ImmunoBio. The transaction is expected to close in quarter of 2021. Sorrento owns roughly 8.2 million shares of clinical stage immunotherapy company. They are currently worth around $21 million, going by NantKwest's recent share price. So they definitely, with the stake in those 2 companies and their own product, I see a lot of potential in Sorrento Therapeutics as well. I think that they could definitely hit the $30 range. They hit $20 before, and that was just based on one product they released for COVID. Now they have many different products, and so there's a much larger potential. So I have the presentation here that I would like to take a look at as well. A little bit about the company. They have roughly 500 employees worldwide, and currently they only have 1 FDA approved drug. However, they have many different products in the pipeline waiting for approval. And so let's take a look at some of those products they have. They have products that support non-opioid pain management, COVID-19 products, and immuno-oncology products for cancer treatments. So let's take a look at their products with COVID. They have this product here where you would take a nasal swab, dip it in this container, and then you would drop a sample on this platform here, and you would take 15 minutes to read the results, and you'd be able to see if you are COVID negative or COVID positive. So this is definitely something that would be beneficial. They also have many different COVID treatments. They have COVID drops for immediate treatment to actually treat COVID on the spot and monitor infection, and then COVID AMG as well. So here's a little bit more details on that COVID sticks. This is gonna eliminate lab extraction step and is designed for potential point of care use or even at home, which would be very good. It would save a lot of people from having to go into a lab and take tests or scheduling appointments, and so that would stop the spread. People don't have to go out and about. When they do feel sick, they can test right at home and see if they have COVID. So the test is extremely accurate. It has 98% sensitivity. It's also rapid and will produce results in less than 15 minutes. And scalable, like we talked about, is ideally suited for both single user and high traffic point of care testing or at home use. And it's very convenient and is offered at a low cost so they can be mass produced. So they have a lot of other products here as well. I'm not going to go through every single one of them. I would like to go through their pipeline here, showing different products they have and where they're at with FDA approval on them. So they have many different products through COVID-19. They have COVID drops that we were just talking about. Here's COVID sticks and COVID trace. Both these have been filed for FDA emergency use authorization, which may be announced early next week. And some of these other ones, a lot of them are still in the preclinical or phase 1 stage. Products that are in stage 2. And then they also have immunotherapy products that are also further along. Some of them are in stage 2 and stage 3. Here they also have their pain products, and those both have also been in phase 2 testing. And so they have a lot of products here that, if get FDA approved, the company's going to be growing very quickly. So the one other thing I would like to talk about is the rumor that is out for Sorrento Therapeutics, is that they have potentially reached a deal with CVS to sell 75 million COVID sticks to them for testing, so the CVS stores can sell them. This is right now is only rumored to be for CVS, so it has not been finalized. I am hearing that it will be announced after FDA approval, and so the FDA approval for COVID sticks may be coming early next week, along with final word on if this is the real deal for CVS. That would bring in almost $825 million to Sorrento Therapeutics, which would grow the company substantially off one product. I definitely see this company going up in value over the next few weeks, especially if next week they finalize the deal between CVS and get emergency FDA approval. I think the stock would grow significantly. Please check it out and let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.